Hi everyone, welcome to RPA Explorers channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload your screenshot or any attachment to your queue work item. And also, if you are new here, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. And this is my queue in which I have one pending item. And also, if you haven't watched my previous queue videos, right from how you can create till how to update your queue response content or update your exception type, you can watch all my previous videos related to queue. And now I just have one item which is in the status pending, and in real time you have application and business exception. So whenever the particular work item get into an exception, you will be adding the response content, which is like the error message or any custom message you want to add it. And also along with that error message, you can also add your exception screenshot or any attachment, which will be very helpful to track the execution status or to know more detail about the exact error message. Just an attachment, for example, if any particular item have to download some PDF or any Excel attachment, you can also attach that specific attachment into your queue work item. And in this video I'm just going to show you guys how you can upload your PNG files. The same you can apply to any other document. To achieve this, I'm going to open my queue in a table view. So this is my table view. All you have to do is just go to the all, filter with queues, and just click on the queues under robotic process automation. And I'm in the queue which is my test queue, and I have one item which is in pending. So now go to the toolbox and filter with attachment. So you get three different attachments. One is to download and get the metadata, and the upload attachment. As we are going to upload it, I'm going to pick the upload attachment. Okay. So it has three different parameters. The first, which is the file path, it's basically your attachment path. And here I have saved an error attachment capturing your exact application screen. It will be capturing your desktop screen, not the studio one. Okay. And I'm going to copy the path. Let me take the path of it. So which you can provide it over here. And in case you have more attachments, like you have to attach the error screenshot, some documents, all you have to do is just go to the directories and use this one called get files. So you can provide the directory path, and so you basically have to just pass this array list to the for loop and then loop through each attachment. Okay. And the next one, which is your sys id. So this sys id is basically your work item id. So for every item when you create it, if you have used these method, which is like pick work item or update work item, there is an output and input mandatory parameter which is called work item id. It's basically a unique id which helps us to identify the queue id, the queue work item. Okay. So as I'm going to use this upload attachment, it should be used after we pick the item. So I'm just going to use this pick work item and provide my sys id, which is nothing but my work id from pick this from here. And also I have explained each and every parameter for both pick and update work item in a separate video. I'll be giving all the link in the description as well, so you can check them out. And the next parameter, which is your table name, so it's basically the name of the table on which you want to upload the attachment. So in this case it is the specific work item id. So we are going to provide the table name for the work item, so which is this, which is nothing but this one. So I'll just quickly copy it and we'll provide the table name. And also we are going to pick the item which is in pending and with the priority high. And currently I just have only this item in pending, so we'll run the process and see the output. Okay, we have to assign the bot process, so let me quickly assign it. We'll run it now. Okay, and now the status is moved from pending to in progress. We'll refresh the page. Okay, so if you see, it has attached the screenshot, which is like error screenshot and the PNG. Not just one screenshot. If you have more error screenshot for the single item, you can also append all of them over here. And in case you want to remove it manually, you have to click on this and here you can remove the attachment in case you want, and also you can download it from here. This is just a simple example to upload attachment to the queue, and this can be really useful when you are working with real-time scenarios where you want to track status for each work item along with the exception message and exception screenshot. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and in case, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.